Looking to enhance your MacBook setup? Whether for your home office or workplace, we've examined the newest stands to boost your MacBook experience. While a MacBook stand might seem optional, it's actually a pivotal desk accessory. They not only enhance your viewing angle and comfort, but also aid in preventing overheating. Our tech experts delve deep, testing multiple stands to guide you to the perfect fit, whether stationary or portable. When selecting a stand for your laptop, aesthetics matter. After all, you'll be gazing at it frequently, so it should complement your space's style. Additionally, consider your workspace layout. Opting for a stand that's tailored for a closed MacBook can free up desk real estate, making them ideal for those with expansive monitors. All product links are provided in the description below. 1. Roost Adjustable and Portable Laptop Stand. The Roost stand is the world's lightest and most portable laptop stand. Crafted with a keen attention to quality and functionality, this stand is designed for those on the move. Its foldable nature ensures it can seamlessly fit into any backpack, briefcase, or laptop bag, making it the ideal companion for trips to coffee shops, offices, or meetings. Beyond its portability, the Roost laptop stand shines in its compatibility. Its universal design caters to a vast range of PC and MacBook models, including the Apple 16 M1 Max. This versatility is enhanced by the patented pivot grips, ensuring a secure fit for every device. The importance of ergonomics in our digital age cannot be overstated. Recognizing this, the Roost offers adjustable height settings, ranging from 6 to 14 inches. This feature allows users to position their laptops at eye level, minimizing strain on the neck and back during prolonged use. For a comprehensive ergonomic experience, users can pair the stand with a portable Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. Stability is another hallmark of the Roost stand. Thanks to its TPE rubber insets, once a laptop is placed on the stand, it remains steadfast, ensuring uninterrupted work or presentation. For those frequently on the move, the stand's inclusion of a carrying sleeve proves invaluable, offering added protection and ease of transport. The Roost laptop stand stands as a beacon of innovation in the laptop stand market. Its combination of portability, compatibility, and ergonomic design has won over countless professionals and travelers, making it a staple accessory in today's digital workspace. 2. Uten Adjustable Portable Laptop Table Stand. The Uten Adjustable Laptop Stand offers a versatile solution for users seeking both comfort and functionality in their computing experience. This laptop stand boasts a combination of aluminum and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. The stand's sleek design and stand with fans color not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also its functionality. One of the standout features of the Uten laptop stand is its adjustability. Users can effortlessly modify the leg height, allowing for comfortable use whether sitting or standing. This versatility transforms the stand into a multifunctional accessory, serving as a laptop stand, standing desk, tablet stand, or even a lap desk suitable for various surfaces such as beds, sofas, or tables. Beyond its adjustability, the stand prioritizes the safety and performance of your device. The anti-slip rubber pad ensures that your laptop remains firmly in place, preventing accidental slips while ensuring the laptop's case remains unharmed. Furthermore, addressing the common concern of overheating laptops, the stand is equipped with a powerful CPU fan. Driven by a USB cable, this fan operates silently yet efficiently, rapidly dissipating heat and safeguarding your computer from potential damage. The Uten laptop stand is thoughtfully designed for a broad range of devices. With its robust aluminum tray and 6 adjustable ABS plastic auto-locking joints, it accommodates laptops up to 17 inches in size. An additional anti-slip clip further secures devices in place, ensuring stability during use. The Uten adjustable laptop stand offers a blend of ergonomics, safety, and portability, making it a valuable addition to any workspace or travel kit. 3. 12 South Curve Flex Adjustable Aluminum MacBook Stand. The 12 South Curve Flex Adjustable Aluminum MacBook Stand represents a harmonious blend of ergonomic design and robust functionality. An evolution from its predecessor, the Curve Stand, this stand boasts an elegant and refined aesthetic. Its solid construction instills confidence, ensuring that laptops are held securely and steadfastly during use. A defining feature of the Curve Flex is its adjustable height mechanism. Users are granted the flexibility to position their laptops anywhere between 2 to 11 inches off the desk. This adaptability is not merely for convenience. It actively promotes optimal posture, alleviating potential strain on the neck and shoulders. Furthermore, the stand's adjustability ensures that users can always achieve the perfect angle for video conferencing, presenting themselves in the best possible light. Despite its durable metal build, the stand is designed to fold almost completely flat. This design consideration facilitates easy transitions between different work environments. Additionally, the inclusion of a neoprene storage pouch further underscores its travel-friendly nature, ensuring the stand remains protected from potential scratches and ensuring all its components, including the adjustment tool, are always at hand and organized. The Curve Flex prioritizes the protection of the laptop. The inclusion of a textured silicone covering, spanning the entirety of the arm, offers comprehensive anti-slip and anti-scratch protection. Its open design serves a dual purpose. Not only does it aid in dissipating heat, but its durable matte finish also works diligently to reduce unsightly fingerprint marks. Beyond its primary function as a laptop stand, the Curve Flex emerges as a holistic workspace solution. When paired with a full-size keyboard and mouse, it effortlessly transforms into a comfortable desktop setup. Furthermore, its compatibility extends to monitors, facilitating the convenience of dual-screen functionality. 4. Rain Design 10032 mStand. The Rain Design 10032 mStand is a premium accessory, meticulously crafted to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your workspace. Crafted from a singular robust piece of aluminum, the mStand radiates elegance with its sleek curves and silver anodized finish. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the stand is engineered to elevate the laptop experience. Its unique design ensures that the laptop remains firmly in place, providing stability even during intensive usage. A notable feature of the mStand is its cooling capability. The aluminum panel, while holding the laptop securely, also functions as a heat sink. This innovative design actively dissipates heat, ensuring that the laptop remains at an optimal temperature, even during prolonged usage. In today's digital age, where extended laptop use is commonplace, the ergonomic implications cannot be overlooked. Recognizing this, the mStand is designed to elevate the laptop screen by 5.9 inches. This elevation aligns the screen with the user's eye level, promoting a healthier posture and reducing strain on the neck and back. Additionally, the stand's tilt design ensures that the screen is positioned closer to the user, facilitating more comfortable viewing. When paired with an external keyboard and mouse, the mStand transforms into an ergonomic desktop setup, enhancing productivity and comfort. Another thoughtful inclusion in the mStand's design is the cable management system. With a sizable 2 inches diameter cable hole located at the back, users can seamlessly organize and route wires, minimizing clutter and ensuring a tidy workspace. This design consideration not only enhances the stand's functionality, but also contributes to a cleaner and more organized desk environment. Visually, the mStand aligns perfectly with Apple's design ethos. Its sand-blasted and silver anodized finish complements Apple notebooks, creating a cohesive and stylish workstation setup. Furthermore, for those moments when the external keyboard is not in use, the mStand offers a dedicated keyboard stash, optimizing desk space and ensuring a clutter-free environment. 5. 12 South Curve MacBook Stand. The Curve Stand epitomizes a harmonious blend of aesthetics and practicality, tailored specifically for modern MacBook and laptop users. Crafted from premium aluminum, its sleek and flowing design resonates seamlessly with the minimalist elegance characteristic of MacBooks and other contemporary laptops. The stand's matte black finish not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures it remains resilient to wear and tear. Beyond its visual appeal, the Curve Stand is designed with user comfort in mind. By elevating the laptop to a more ergonomic height, it facilitates a more natural viewing angle, reducing strain on the neck and shoulders. This elevation also opens up the possibility for users to pair their laptop with their preferred external keyboard and mouse, transforming their laptop setup into a more traditional and ergonomic desktop configuration. Furthermore, the Curve Stand is not just limited to solo laptop use. Its versatile design makes it an ideal companion for those looking to expand their workspace. By integrating the stand with an external monitor, users can effortlessly transition into a dual-screen setup, enhancing productivity and multitasking capabilities.